Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail in Photopea step by step in 2026. If you want professional-looking thumbnails that attract more viewers and increase clicks, Photopea is a great free online editor. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Photopea. On the home page, click *** New Project ***. Set the canvas size to *1280 by 720 pixels ***, which is the recommended YouTube thumbnail resolution, and then create your project. Next, add your background. You can drag and drop an image into Photopea or use a solid color, gradient, or graphic background. If you're using a photo, resize and position it so it fills the entire canvas. Now add your main subject. If necessary, remove the background from your subject and place it on a separate layer. Use the Move tool * to position it, then adjust the size to make it stand out. You can also add shadows, outlines, or glow effects to give your thumbnail a more professional appearance. After that, select the ** text tool and add a short, bold title. Choose a large, easy-to-read font and use colors that contrast with the background. Keep your text brief so it's readable even on small screens. To make your thumbnail more eye-catching, add shapes, arrows, icons, or highlights to draw attention to important areas. Organize everything using layers so you can edit each element independently. When you're satisfied with your design, click *** File ***, choose *** Export as ***, select **JPG** or PNG***, adjust the quality if needed, and save the thumbnail to your computer. Before uploading it to YouTube, zoom out and make sure all the text and important elements are easy to read at a smaller size. That's how to create a YouTube thumbnail